right now we are getting ready to go to the beach, and I have my Simply Southern shirt on. It has turtle on it with watermelon. I'm wearing my necklace that I got yesterday from the surf shop. So yeah, we are going to go to the beach, and then we have a cleaning lady in here right now. So if you hear that like sound, that's her. And yeah, bye. Hey guys, so we just got to the beach, and there's the beach right there. It looks really nice right now. We're gonna go like boogie boarding and stuff. So yeah, we're in Hatteras. Hey guys, so right now, oops, I'm going to close my door. We are on the beach looking for shells. We're going shelling, and I found all of these shells. You can see inside them. A bunch of purple and whites. So yeah. Okay guys, so right now me and my cousin are making a sandcastle. As you can see right here is it right now. This is going to be where the water is going to go through. There's that little hole. There's our bridge. And then we have our sandcastle part. We're still making it, but it has the front, this way the seashell on it. That, and then we have a little crab right there. And then dolphins over here. Dolphins right there. So yeah. Hey guys, so right now we are taking a walk to the point with my mom. So yeah, and my cousin and Laurel are up there. And there's the ocean. You guys see this? So yeah, and look at all the shells. Let's go back home. We've been home for a while, and we went crab hunting, and I'll put in some videos of that right now.
Some people haven't. Some people live in their houses.
I've seen a crab before. I know, I have too. That's why I'm saying I don't think you'll learn though. I turned it off.
There you go, buddy. Let's release him in here. Sent off. Come on, buddy. There you go, buddy. Go make it home.
And also, that is it for today. So please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.